Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In this day and age, the digital realm has become a fertile ground for job opportunities. The rise of online jobs has been remarkable, with the internet serving as a vast marketplace for skills and services. This video is your compass, a step-by-step guide to navigate the sea of opportunities that the online world has to offer. So, if you're ready to explore the digital world of opportunities, let's dive in. First things first, you need to have a plan. Now, what does that mean? It means having a clear goal and a strategic plan. You see, having a direction is essential when it comes to making money online. It's not just about making quick cash, it's about creating a sustainable source of income. So, where do you start? It begins with understanding your skills and interests. Are you a wordsmith who can spin sentences into engaging stories? Content writing might be your ticket. Or perhaps you have an eye for aesthetics. In that case, graphic designing could be your forte. If you're someone who can navigate the complex algorithms of Google and Facebook with ease, digital marketing could be your realm. But remember, these are just a few examples. The online world is vast, offering a plethora of opportunities tailored to different skill sets. What's important is to align these opportunities with your goals and interests. Remember, your plan is your roadmap to success in the online world. Once you have a plan, the next step is to build a strong online presence. This is crucial in today's digital age. Think of your online presence as your digital handshake, your first impression to the world. It's about creating a professional portfolio that showcases your skills and talents. This could be through a LinkedIn profile where you can connect with other professionals in your field. Consider starting a blog or creating a website as a platform to exhibit your work, share your thoughts, or demonstrate your expertise. Remember, the key is consistency in your branding and messaging across all platforms. Your online presence is your digital resume. It should reflect your skills and abilities. Now that you have a strong online presence, it's time to network. Networking is a fundamental pillar of success in the online world. It's all about forming genuine connections and building relationships that can open the door to opportunities. LinkedIn, online job portals, and social media are your allies in this endeavor. Use LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your field, join relevant groups, and participate in discussions. Online job portals can put you in direct contact with employers looking for your skills. Social media too is a powerful tool for networking. Use it to follow industry leaders, share your thoughts, and engage in meaningful conversations. Remember, the key to success in the online world is not just what you know, but also who you know. Subscribe for more videos.